Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Lexus NX300 maintenance light reset. We are going to use these buttons over here: up, down, left, right, middle for enter, and back. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have to push start, go ahead and click it twice. And if you have the key, go ahead and turn it to the second position without your foot on the brake. Now, every time you see this warning, go ahead and click back. Now use your left or your right to go find your page, which is here at the gear indicator. Now when you get here, go ahead and scroll down to vehicle setting, enter on vehicle setting, scroll down to schedule maintenance, enter on it, scroll up to yes, enter on yes. Now go back, scroll down to oil maintenance. You're gonna have to reset that one too. Enter on it. Scroll up to yes. Enter on yes. And there you go, guys. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.